Welcome back to the channel for video 57, where we dive into the future of home buying. Are you tired of refreshing real estate apps only to find that your dream home is already under contract? At FindMyHomeNow.com, our AI works around the clock to find listings that actually match your unique lifestyle. Traditional searches focus only on bed and bath counts, but our technology understands the aesthetic and vibe you want. This means you get notified the second a perfect property hits the market, giving you a massive head start. We also integrate smart budgeting tools to ensure the homes you see fit your actual monthly mortgage comfort zone. By combining cutting-edge data with expert mortgage insights, we make the entire process faster and much less stressful. You no longer have to be a tech expert to use these tools because we have designed the platform for everyone. Visit the link in my bio to set up your personalized AI profile and start your smarter search today. Don't forget to subscribe and join us as we continue to transform the way the world finds home.